Excuse me, miss. Are you gonna be doing your nails? I don't think so. Do you need a gel manicure? I don't think so. What's up, DIY babes, and happy Wednesday vlog. It is Thursday today. It is November 1st, the first official day of like basically Christmas. Because girl, Canadian Thanksgiving has already happened and I'm Canadian, so basically there's just like nothing standing in between me and Christmas. So Vlogmas, where you at basically? I'm just kidding, but I am super excited for Christmas and probably will start decorating within the next few weeks. So get excited. The holiday vlogs. Moose, yo, tippy tappies. He just freezes. So anyways, I wanted to start the vlog off with something super exciting because I haven't even like teased this at all, but I have new merch dropping, and no, it's not my beautiful Great Fanta shirt right now, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so you guys know that I dropped pop sockets probably about a year and a half ago, and they did so well. You guys loved them and they were so much fun to create, but this time it's even better because I've got 3 new ones and they're all super cute. I'm so excited. Like these are, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you. But what's great about this is that it's with a program called Poptivism, and basically 50% of all the proceeds are going to be going towards a charity of my choice. So not only are you getting a super cute new pop grip, but you're also doing some good in the world and helping out a charity that does amazing things. And I actually want to like give you guys a super quick rundown of the charity that I chose because they do such amazing things, and I honestly just like have connected with them and think what they do is great and wanted to support them. So basically your donation is going to be going to Girls Inc. and towards their programs and experiences that they facilitate to help girls just grow up and have the tools to be strong and smart and bold. I so wish that I had the opportunity to be a part of anything like that when I was growing up. So I think it's really cool that they're doing that for girls in the States and Canada, which obviously I wanted to be a part of Canada as well because I am Canadian. So anyways, it's an amazing charity and I love what they do. And I'm so excited to see you guys the new pop grips on your phone. Let's get to the designs. Also, I want to show you the behind the scenes of the flat lay that I just created because like this is a work of art. I was standing on the straight up dining room table right now to get this. Okay, so here's the behind the scenes of what a flat lay looks like. So this will have been posted a week ago today by time you're watching this vlog, but this is what the behind the scenes of the flat lay looks like. But oh my gosh, okay, let me walk you through the designs. Okay, so this is actually the pop socket that I have had on my phone for the last like maybe 4 months, and I feel like you guys have been asking me about it for so long, and I decided that I feel like the rest of the world should be able to have it. So we've got the like rainbow ombre mousse pop socket, and then this next one, I don't want to say it's my favorite because honestly they're all my favorite, but this is just like a really cute like old school vintage van. And then wait, let me see if I can zoom in super close, but there's like a little moussey emblem on where like the logo of the van would be, and it's so cute. It's got some really cute like pink ombre stripes on the bottom. And then the last one is the DIY babe, and also I'm obsessed with this phone case, by the way. This one's so cute. And then there's like little sassy candy hearts that's like go away, dogs only, ugh, okay. And it's got a little purple to blue ombre situation going on. Anyways, I'm obsessed with all of them and I cannot wait to see which ones you guys get, and I'm so excited. Link will be in the description to shop, and I'm so excited! Also, I know yesterday was Halloween. I didn't end up vlogging on Halloween, but I did take a tiny little clip of Moose in his pineapple costume, which I will insert for your enjoyment right now. Is that a pineapple on the run? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not even vlogging today, but I just need you to see Moose in his pineapple costume. We're about to go hand out candy. Look at your pineapple. Do you want to put your hood on? I know you definitely don't. We'll just put it on for 1 sec. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. Okay, I just needed everyone to see Moose in all of his pineapple glory. Okay, we're gonna go hand out candy. Happy Halloween, y'all. Boop. My child is so cute. My child is so sweet. He had the best Halloween handing out candy. Anyways, I'm super excited about the Poptivism program. Make sure to tweet me photos of which one you get. So excited. And also, I'm doing more approvals for more winter merch this week, and I will maybe think about showing you guys some more sneak peeks because this stuff is freaking cute. Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. I have been a terrible vlogger this week. To be honest, I've just been hanging out with some friends and just wanted to be like quality time and not on the vlog, which is kind of nice, and just, you know, hanging with friends offline, which I feel like is always, you know, a healthy thing to do. So anyways, I'm super excited for the rest of tonight because this has been also one of my most frequently asked questions, but it's been about the Mr. Kate office because obviously it's just an office for one now. I know it's like, it's like kind of sad to think about because Mr. Kate did such an amazing job on that office, and obviously it's like split with paint, but I think I've like kind of made it work to make it look like a one-person office, just like a cool two-tone paint situation. I don't don't know. It's definitely no Mr. Kate masterpiece, and my eyelashes are stuck together, and I forgot to fill in my brows. Cool, love that for me. Okay, well we're just gonna roll with it now because it's already like 9 p.m. and it's too late in the day for brows. So yeah, obviously this is no Mr. Kate masterpiece, but obviously all of the other side is gone now, and I had to fill it up. And I also just have so many products now that have been exploding out of different rooms. I needed to kind of find like an organizational solution. I'm so out of breath and like kind of sweating. Also, guys, new merch coming end of November, early December. Wait. Oh my gosh, you haven't even seen the back of it. This new merch is ridiculous. Are those holographic scissors? Yeah, oh god, this is just very difficult. Okay, I can't figure it out. But okay, wow, I look ridiculous right now. I cannot wait for you guys to see the rest of it. I think I've mentioned this in the last vlog, but basically I've just been approving different samples and stuff, getting them ready for the next drop, and guys, it's gonna be the best one yet. Oh my gosh. So basically, the situation is, it was an offer for 2 people, now it's only for 1, but it's like very clearly split down the middle. So it was finding a solution that was gonna make it still feel balanced, but also make sense and not look like pee-up. And I need so much storage because that was actually the dining room when I bought the house. That's kind of like how they had it staged. And your girl does not need a formal dining room. Let's just be super clear about that. So it's been great. And a lot of my products are already in the office. So it's really just like finding shelves and drawers and stuff that made sense and balancing out the art and the color and making that side a little bit girlier, I think, and brighter. Okay, so let's go grab some art, finish it up, and then we can do like a full after reveal. It's nothing crazy, obviously, because I already spent a lot of money on that room, but it definitely needed to be kind of flipped and balanced out. Okay, so here's what we're working with right now. This hasn't, oh wait, actually, wait, this is all changed. I haven't even updated you guys at all. Okay, so originally the desks were facing in. I don't even know how else to put this, but pre-breakup, we switched them so that these were in the middle so that I could have more storage situation underneath the lights. It just like felt weird. We didn't use the desk. So anyway, the desk got put on both sides, and oh, little reveal. So anyways, I got these new shelves that have all of the products and stuff, and then this is pretty much all the same. That's the same. These are the same shelves from the Mr. Kate makeover that were just like over here originally. And then on this side, I got 2 clothing racks and then 2 matching wardrobes. Are you a wardrobe? What is you? And then this one, which I'm obsessed with, like this detailing and the gold handle is super cute and completely empty so far. But basically, I've got this spot to fill with one of these art pieces. Excuse me, miss. Are you gonna be doing your nails? I don't think so. Do you need a gel manicure? I don't think so. So I've got that empty space to fill. I've got these tops here, which are a little bit low to just like leave empty, I think. So I'm thinking 2 plushies per top. I've got my play button, which I don't really know what to do with. And then I've also got this spot here for another piece of art. Okay, so I think it's done. I'm so happy with how it has turned out, and I'm so excited to like move all of my stuff into one concentrated spot, because currently everything is honestly just like in any empty storage space that I have in like 3 different rooms. So I'm super excited for it to all be here, and like I'll give you a little sneak peek of what's in a few of the little shelving units. Like, look how beautiful this looks. This is all the stuff that's at our den right now, and so obviously they like sent me a bunch of samples for friends and family and stuff. And PS, how did you like that little merch preview? So I don't know if these designs are gonna be final, so just like stand by, but I'm so freaking excited for the next merch drop. So I know it's no Mr. Kate makeover because there's just like no way for me to even get close to a Mr. Kate makeover level, but I don't know, I think it's cute. I think it's like actually functional now, which is awesome because I don't really spend a ton of time on this desktop computer. Yeah, I think it's cute, and there's like a few more things I want to add maybe to the walls. I don't know, so it could be a work in progress, but for now I'm happy with it and it's done, and I feel like we should do like a little before and after montage like the proper way, because like it's not a Mr. Kate montage, but I mean, we'll do our best. enjoyed this vlog. I made a little mini makeover. I know it wasn't anything crazy. I actually had a handyman come today and build all the furniture this morning. So I was super happy that it got done in time for a little mini reveal. I'm also super close to being done my room. So let me know if you guys want a room tour soon. I feel like a house tour is unrealistic because there are so many rooms in this house and they are just not decorated at all. So bedroom tour is definitely realistic. So let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. And also my parents are coming into town as of tomorrow. So I'm super excited to vlog with them this week. You guys will get a little bit of mom DIY and dad DIY 1. If you're the person that has dad DIY on Instagram, let me know how much you want for it because somebody has it and dad DIY 1 would like it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys on Sunday for, ooh, I have a really fun video on Sunday. It's something new. I'm excited for you guys to see it. So I will see you guys on Sunday for another new video and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know